Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to convert a leftover Astralis Mugwort leaf into gold in Heartopia. So this time the Midsummer rhymes already ended, but in here you can still buy the items or exchange the items with your Astralis Mugwort leaf in exchange store. But in here you can also exchange your remaining Astralis Mugwort for gold if you want to buy any items again on the exchange store. You can just exchange the Astralis Mugwort that you have for gold like this, the main currency in Heartopia. So here's how. First, just simply tap on this globe icon and then just go to Midsummer Rhyme. And then next in here, just simply tap on Go Redeem and then scroll down until you find the gold. This one. You will see that one Astralis Mugwort can be exchanged for 10 gold. And then in here, simply exchange all of your remaining Astralis Mugwort like this, and then just simply tap purchase and then confirm, and then in here you will get the extra gold instead of leaving those event items unused. So make sure you exchange all your leftover Astralis Mugwort leaf before the exchange store disappear at the July 13th. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.